Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be resetting the service indicator on this 2018 Mazda 2. So we've got the screen in the centre of the dash here. We're going to be using these controls down here to reset it. We're using the dial. Okay, so first thing you do, you turn it round to applications, press the dial in, and then we've got fuel economy monitor, vehicle status monitor. So we'll go on to vehicle status monitor, press again, down to maintenance, press again, scheduled 30 days, so we're going to change that to, scroll down to due in, so press in again and then you get, the box will move over to the right hand side there. So you see it's stuck on 30 days, so if you turn the dial you can increase the time. So we're going to put that to 12 months, press the dial in again, then go down to distance, so we can change the distance as well. We're going to do this on a 12,000 mile interval, this car, and just keep turning to the dial till you get to the mileage that you want. Press in again, and there you go, that's reset. So we'll back out of here, oil change. That's the next one, so we're going to press in, due in at 2,000 miles, so turn the dial down, press in again, and same process, we can change the distance remaining. So the oil's just been changed, so again we'll change that to 12,000, press the dial in, and we'll back out of there, and you can see scheduled maintenance is all in 12 months, 12,000 miles. So easy as that, guys. You can do this yourself at home if you've just serviced your car. Hope this has helped you, and if it has, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.